Hello friends, in a previous video I told you about a problem after upgrade of phone Redmi Note 11. We upgraded it to this version, and after it I cannot switch off it. Look, I switch off it, but I see Google Assistant. Just and it's nothing changed, but I figured out how to fix it. You have to push all this. Look, just make like this and this. Oh, it's one more time. I don't like the upgrades. Okay, one more time. Oh, look. And you can now switch off or restart. I will show you again. Oh, I hate it. God. Again. Oh, yes, like this. More here. More this one. Okay. Yes, this one. Here and here. But I think Redmi have to tell it for users that it will be another kind of switch off the phone. No, we switch off phone. And how to switch on it, it's the same. Hope friends my information was helpful for you. See you in the next videos and bye bye.